Hi, I'm Sushma Khan, National Creative Director for Makeup in Lakme Salon, India. Today we have organized a bridal workshop in Lakme King Kothi Salon, Hyderabad. The purpose of this workshop was to introduce new makeup looks to Lakme Salon. Uh, for this season, we have created 4 looks which are inspired from Makeup Trend 2015. The purpose, the trend is a sculpt. Basically, a trend is a sculpt for this season, where sculpt means more of structured shape, cuts, lines. So makeup artists usually always gets inspired from architectural theme, like lot of cuts, lines and shape. And this year architecture meet beauty, so where we have created these 4 looks. This look can be little brighten up as per your choice. If you want to go little louder, you can change the color, and if you want to go lighter, and you can just use muted shades of brown and natural tone of skin color. uh, in this kind of look, I have used lot of highlighting and contouring to facial features, where contouring gives shape to your features, where highlighting enhance your feature at the same time. So these are the 4 look. Today I have created 2 look in this King Kothi salon. One is a complete transformation of a look, where I have created sharp contouring on jawline, on high cheekbone, on nose, to make it look a little more sharp and slim. And on eyes, I have also done lot of highlighting and contouring, so it is a complete look. But if anybody wants to tone down the look, they can go with very muted colors. So these all 4 looks are available in Lakme Salon across country, uh, with the help of our bridal dream team backstage experts, who are expert, who are perfect, who are ready to create this look in your salon. So any bride who wants to go for this kind of look can go to any nearest Lakme salon and avail this service. For summer season, I would suggest that sculpt face look is a perfect choice for brides, because in this look we have just done contouring for face to give structured form. Also, because as there is no lot of like cream and highlighting and glitters on face, so this looks makes you look very natural and subtle. And this sculpt face look is best for those who just want to go for very natural shiny skin, and like very soft and subtle look for their makeup, especially for their bride and any kind of function. So I think sculpt face is best for this summer. For last season when we came here, we introduced airbrush makeup. For this year, just to add on new things, so we have created this high definition sculpt look for Lakme Salon, because airbrush was very much in demand by Hyderabad brides. So keeping that in mind, we have just come up with new looks in Lakme Salon. I hope everybody would love it.